Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and taking your online classes regularly. So, students, you got your pre-midterm exams portion. So, you have to start your preparation and get ready for the exam. So, all the question that is coming in your exam will be based on MCQ pattern, multiple choice question pattern. Okay, students. So let's start the lesson number 8, the old woman and the physician. So we will complete the remaining lesson. So before we go through the remaining one, first we recall what we have learned in this lesson till now. So this is a story of a old woman and she was very rich and she had many valuable things in her house. She has arranged all the things in the front room of her house. Okay, so as so many things in her house and she arranged all the things in the front room of her house, where he kept all the things in the front room of her house. As she grew older, her eyesight got weaker and weaker, and one day she became blind. Many physicians came to see her but could not cure her for her blindness. So this old woman was very sad. So many doctors came, give the treatment, but nothing happened in a positive way. So the old woman announced that who will the person or the doctor restore her eyesight, she will give a huge reward. Okay, so one day what happened? Who came? A man came, and that man said that I am a physician from a far off land. I have a special ointment that can cure you. Cure means heal, to heal. So I can make you see again in about a month time, said the man. So what this man promised, that in a month time you can able to see, as because I am having a special ointment. Okay, so this old woman put a condition in front of that physician. She said that if you restore my eyesight within a month, I will give you a huge reward. But if you fail to make me see, I will give you nothing. So what this old woman said, in a month time, if you restore my eyesight, I will give you a reward. But if you fail to make me see, I will give you nothing. Okay. So students, come to the page number 88, first paragraph. The physician agreed. Okay, upon this condition the physician agreed. So every morning he visited the old woman and applied an ointment in her eyes. So every morning he came to see this old woman and applied an ointment in her eyes. It was no medicine at all. You have to keep this line in your mind. So this doctor came to start his treatment of the old woman and applied an ointment in her eyes, but in this ointment no medicine is added. Okay, but before leaving he quietly stole a things or two from her house. So what the things he started doing, he's stealing the things one by one, or he steal one thing or two from her house. Some day he would take a pot, another day he stole painting hanging upon the wall, or some furniture, or some expensive decorative items. So like this he quietly means without any making any noise. Okay, so he quietly stole a things or two from her house. This went on for 2 weeks. How many weeks he had stolen the things? For 2 weeks. After he had stolen many things, now when he is satisfied the things that he had stolen, he decided to start his treatment. Okay, now the doctor decided to start his treatment. He applied some medicine in her eyes for a few days and cured her well within a month. So within a month he cured the eyesight of this old woman. He applied some ointments, in that some medicine is added also. So after a month, when he satisfied, the physician satisfied, okay, I have done my job. So he said to the old woman, I restore your eyesight, you can see clearly now. Now pay the money you had promised, said the physician. What the physician said, that I have restored your eyesight and now I want my reward, the money. Okay, the old woman could see well now. Okay, when the physician went from the old woman house, the old woman now started seeing the things that in her house. But when she looked around, she found many things in a house missing. So what she saw, so many things in her house was missing, that is there before her blindness. So she was sure that the physician had stolen them. Why she was sure? Because no one else visited her. Because nobody else coming to this old woman house to visit her, to meet her. So she wanted to teach him a lesson. So she know the physician is thefting all the things, stolen all the things. Okay. So in her mind, she thought, make a plan that I will teach him a good lesson. Okay, now come to the last paragraph of page number 88. When the physician came to the old woman house and asked her to give him his reward. So next day, when the physician came to the old woman house and asked her to give him his reward, she said, I am still blind. I can't see anything. Unless you restore my vision, I won't pay you anything. What the old woman said? I am still blind. I can't see anything. Why she said this kind of word? Because before her blindness, before the old woman blindness, so many things, so many expensive things are there in her house. But now she not able to see. So that is why she said to the physician, I am still blind. I can't see anything. Unless you restore my vision, I won't pay you anything. That I promise you. If you restore my vision, I pay you the things that I promised you, the money, the reward. But now I won't pay you anything. The physician was very angry to hear this. After hearing these words of this old woman, the physician was very angry. Okay, he was sure he had cured her and she was able to see. Now the doctor know the patient is healing. So that is why the physician here also was sure about her treatment. And she was able to see. She know that this old woman was able to see. She brought this to the notice of the king. What he did, he take this dispute or the problem in front of the king and appeal for justice. Appeal means requested. And justice means quality of being fair, who is right and who is wrong. So for the justice, he go to the king and appeal for justice. The old woman came before the king. Now the old woman came before the king, standing in front of the king. She said, Your Majesty, it is true that I had agreed to give the physician a reward if he cured me of my blindness. But I am unable to see all the things which were in my house before I became blind. How can anyone say that I have got back my vision? So what she said to the king? Your Majesty. Majesty means used to address a king. It Maharaja like. Okay. So what she said, it is true that I had agreed to give a physician a reward. I promise, if you restore my eyesight, I'll give the reward to you. But if he cure of my blindness, so whatever the treatment he will give, and if he restore my eyesight, I promise that I will give a reward. But now I am unable to see all the things which were in my house before I became blind. So when I have became blind, before that so many things I have kept in my house. So many expensive things are there. Now the physician said that he already restored my eyes. But how can is possible that I am not able to see the things that I already in my house? Okay, so how can anyone say that I have got back my vision? Vision means the eyesight. So how can anyone say that I able to see now? Okay, now the king understood what happened and asked the physician to tell him the truth. Now the king understood the problem, the situation. Okay, so the king asked the physician to tell the truth. So the king is there. So that is why the physician is afraid, okay, to hide the truth. So the king said, if you are not telling the truth, you will get the punishment. It is better to open your mouth and tell the truth. So the physician confessed. Confess means admit. Accepted his mistake, what he did. So the physician confessed that he had stolen all the things. So he accepted his mistake and said to the king that he had stolen so many things from this old lady house. He begged for mercy. Begged means to ask humbly for something. So he begged for mercy. Mercy means kindness, pity, daya karna. Okay. So he begged for mercy to the king. He promised to return all the things to the old woman. So he said to the old woman, whatever the things I have stolen from your house, I will give back to the, I will give or kept all the things in your house again. So the next day, what he promised? He promised to return all the things to the old woman. The next day, he went to the old woman house and put back all the things he had stolen. So whatever the things he had stolen, he put back all the things. He put back the pot, he put back the painting hanging upon the wall. He put back the furniture. He put back some expensive decorative items. Okay, so whatever the things that he had stolen from this old woman house, he kept all the things back. Okay, now the old woman was happy to see all her things. What she said? I can see very well now. You have indeed cured me. Now I am sure that I am able to see, and you have cured me. You healed me. You gave the better treatment, the best treatment. That is why I am able to see now. Why she said this kind of word? Because all the things that the physician has stolen is back to their place. So what she said to the physician? I can see very well now. You have indeed cured me. Then she happily gave him the reward she had promised. So what the things she did? She happily gave, with a happiness, she gave him the reward that she had promised to the physician. Okay students, hope you understand the lesson. So what is the moral of this story? So from this story we learn that the greedier you are, the more you will lose. Greedy or greedier. What is the meaning of greedier? It means the selfish, or the that we call in the lalchi. Okay, who wants money and the things without making such any hard work or any effort. Okay, so if you are greedier, what will happen? The more you will lose. So whatever the things you are doing in your life, you have to do with a honest way, not in a dishonest way. Okay, so you have to tell the truth. Don't tell the lie in front of your parents also, in front of your friends also, in front of your teacher also. Okay, so don't make you greedier. If you are greedy, is not good. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? We learned that the more you greedier, the more you will lose, the things that you will lose. So in this story, if the physician was not accepted his mistake, what will happen? The king give the punishment to the physician. Okay, but the physician take a right way, and he confessed his mistake. He accepted his mistake. He returned back all the things that he had stolen from this old lady house. Okay, and the old lady also gave him the reward she had promised. So students, what you have to do? You have to read the lesson, learn the lesson, underline the hard word. Okay, and the moral of the story I already given to you. Okay, and prepare for your exam also. With this preparation, with this reading, you have to take your preparation part also, and do your preparation well. Okay students, thank you.